of any fluid. Okay, how? By using thermocouple. Now, do you know thermocouple? Thermocouple. What is thermocouple? Two different material joined together at junction, and therefore resistance is created, and temperature is converted into voltage. That is what thermocouple. So in thermocouple, the lumped analysis is used, because what is thermocouple to wires, na? What is thermocouple to wires? Are you getting? So this lumped analysis is also useful in thermocouple to find out the temperature, okay, of any fluid to which thermocouple is exposed. Are you getting? So suppose, what is the function of thermocouple? To find out the temperature of any fluid, isn't it? This is any pipe. This is any pipe, and in the pipe you are inserting. Okay, this is a what? Suppose thermocouple. Okay, thermocouple, and this is a fluid which is flowing. Are you getting? And the temperature of this fluid is suppose T infinity, and it is a hot fluid. Generally, thermocouples are used to find the temperature of hot fluid. Na, it is a hot fluid. Understood? So thermocouple will exactly. This is a thermocouple. Thermocouple will exactly tell you what the temperature. Thermocouple will exactly tell you the what the temperature of this fluid, isn't it? Okay, and for that thermocouple is using which analysis? Lumped analysis. Lumped analysis. Okay, now the temperature of thermocouple, the temperature shown by thermocouple, okay, will be the temperature of fluid. The temperature of thermocouple or wires and temperature of fluid should be same. है ना? What is temperature shown by thermocouple? T. So temperature shown by thermocouple T and the temperature of hot fluid should be same. Are you getting? Okay. So, but there is some time lag. There is some time lag. As soon as you connect the thermocouple, thermocouple takes 2 nanosecond to 5 seconds to show the exact temperature of fluid. Okay, so this is what time lag. This is what time lag. Okay, so we need to decrease this time lag. What is time lag? Time lag, the exact temperature shown by the thermocouple. To show the exact temperature of fluid, thermocouple takes some time. Okay, 2 nanosecond to 5 seconds. So we need to minimize this what time lag. Okay, so we want to enhance the what response of thermocouple. Okay, and therefore we are going to study the time constant and the response of thermocouple. Okay, by using lumped analysis. By using lumped analysis. Okay, because we can consider thermocouple, okay, and for the lumped analysis, because what is thermocouple? Wires, na, 2 wires connected to each other. Understood? So here, if you see, the measurement of temperature by thermocouple is an important application of lumped parameter analysis. I told you thermocouple is considered lumped. Okay, because its surface area is higher as compared to the volume. Okay. Then what is the response of thermocouple? The response of thermocouple is defined as the time required for a thermocouple to reach the source temperature when it is exposed to it. I told you. Okay, what is response of thermocouple? It is a time required for a thermocouple to reach the source temperature when it is exposed to it. Suppose thermocouple is used to measure the temperature of any hot gas. Okay, so as soon as thermocouple is connected to gas, we should get the temperature of that gas. Okay. So if within a fraction of second you are getting a temperature of that hot gas by thermocouple, then its response is good. Understood? Okay. So for the measurement of temperature of any fluid by the thermocouple junction where two materials meet should attain the fluid temperature as quickly as possible. Okay, so thermocouple junction should attain the temperature of a fluid to which it is exposed as soon as possible. Okay, if the time taken to attain the fluid is if the time taken to attain the fluid temperature is small, then response of thermocouple is fast. Okay, the response of thermocouple is fast. Let me of all close the test now. Okay, so here you have understand what is the response of thermocouple. So what is the response of thermocouple? It is defined as the time required for a thermocouple to reach the source temperature when it exposed to it. Okay, and if the time taken to attain the fluid temperature for a thermocouple is small, the response of thermocouple will be fast. So we want to increase the response. We want to decrease the time lag. Okay, understood? So as soon as thermocouple is connected to any fluid, thermocouple takes some time to attain the temperature of that gas or fluid to which it is exposed. Understood? The longer the time taken by a thermocouple to attain the fluid temperature, okay, slower will be the response. So we want to increase the response. How we can increase the response? By decreasing the time taken by the thermocouple to attain the temperature of any fluid to which it is exposed. Okay. So now I think you have understood what is response. Okay. Then lump parameter analysis. Okay, I told you thermocouple can be considered as a lump can be considered for the lump parameter. Why? Because it is a wire. Ultimately, surface area is more than volume. Okay. So what is the lump parameter analysis? It is, you know, theta by theta I is equal to T minus T infinity, Ti minus T infinity is equal to e to the power minus HA rho CpV into T. This we have seen. We have seen the derivation of this one also, and we have solved two numericals on this temperature distribution formula for lump parameter analysis. Okay. Now we can rearrange these things. Okay. We can rearrange these things. So theta by theta I can be 1 by HA e to the power rho, sorry, theta by theta I can be e to the power 1 by HA divided by rho CpV into T. Okay. So if you see this one, this term for a thermocouple, this term exponential, okay, this one, it should be 0. It should be 0 as soon as possible. Okay. Why should be 0? If it is 0, then what will happen? T equal to T infinity. If this is 0, okay, this term is 0, then what we will get? T is equal to T infinity means temperature of thermocouple at any time. Temperature of thermocouple at any time be equal to temperature of fluid. There is no lag. There is no lag. Are you getting? So how this term will be zero? If this term will be zero, then I told you T equal to T infinity means temperature of a thermocouple at any time V equal to temperature of fluid. There is no lag. Okay. So how this term will be zero? So what we have found out, larger the value of HA divided by rho CPV, faster the exponential term will be zero. Faster the exponential term will be zero. We will take example. Suppose if you take 1 divided by E2, okay, and 1 divided by E5. What is the value if you use calculator? What is 1 by E2? 1 divided by, please use calculator and tell me the answer. Okay. So this is 0.13, isn't it? Are you getting? And this is
6.73 into 10 to the power
6.73
minus 3.
into 10 to the power minus 3. Are you getting? So if you see, if raised to the power e to the power, suppose this is a 5 2, okay, so if the raised to the power value increases, if the, suppose e to the power x, I am taking x, e to the power x, okay, so as the power of x increases, as the value of x increases, okay, this exponential term is 10 to 0, is 10 to 0. So if value of x is 2, you can see it is 0.13. But as the value of increase x is increased to 5, this exponential term is what? More close to 0, 6.73 e to the power minus 10 3. So here, what is x? X is HA divided by rho CPV into T. Okay. So this term, if you increase the value of HA divided by rho CPV, okay, larger the value of HA rho CPV, faster will be the exponential term tends to 0. And that we want. Because if this term is 0, then T is equal to T infinity. Okay. And if this term is 0, exponential term is 0, then means what? Rapid will be the response of thermocouple. Are you getting? So therefore, we want to
Yes,
increase the value of this parameter. Okay. Please clear this thing. I think I have cleared it from my side, but if you have any doubt, let me know. First, try to understand why we want this term as 0, because if this exponential term is 0, then what will happen? Okay, what will happen? T is equal to T infinity. And what is T? Temperature of thermocouple at any time. And what is T infinity? Temperature of fluid for which thermocouple is used. So T is equal to T infinity without any lag. So for that, we want this term as 0. And how by rho CP. Shall I proceed? So you have already started attendance. So shall I stop, Nikhil?
Sir, 10 minutes are remaining.
Oh no. I am asking about shall I proceed? Have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So therefore, this term, okay, it should be 0. So what we are doing, let me clear all this thing. Why it is not clear? So therefore, what we are doing, okay, we are defining rho CPV reciprocal of this one, rho CPV by HA by time constant tau. Okay, what we are defining rho CPV by HA as tau time constant. Okay, and if you define this term rho CPV by HA as a time constant, okay, then what will be the temperature distribution? It will be theta by theta I e to the power minus T divided by tau, minus T divided by tau, or 1 divided by e to the power T divided by tau. So this term, it is called as time constant, rho CPV by HA. And you replace this one, you will get this new formula, theta by theta I is equal to e to the power minus T divided by tau. Okay, so we will stop here because I cannot finish this concept of time concept within a 5 minutes. We will continue till tomorrow. Okay, so remember, on Wednesday we have a C based on second unit. I have already shared PPTs. Okay, so those who have not entered their roll number and name can enter it for sake of attendance, and then you can leave the meeting. Chinmay, are you there? Chinmay? Chinmay. Everybody is getting.
संपलं का रे?